Hi. So in this video, we are going to see the new question on scaling application. That is 53rd question, scale deployment from 3 to 8 replicas, and we need to verify all the pods running, and we need to check whether service endpoints are updated. This is a very simple question as part of scaling application. So let's see. For that, let me refresh this. So for that, I'm first going to create a deployment and scale the number of replicas and check whether the service endpoints are updated. So I just create a deployment using imperative command as usual. Uh, my and I'm going to use the image is equal to nginx 1.21 and current replicas as in the question it has mentioned. Let me take it as 3 and let me create this. After that, I want to expose this to a service. Okay, expose deployment, my deployment name. I need to expose this to a service. So hyphen name equals to my dep service, and let's say I don't know the command, so I'll use hyphen help. And here is the example of what I can use. So then I can just use this, and I'm going to paste the port, and target port is nothing but port is the port number which the user hits, and the target port is the port number on the container. And I'm going to use a type command to create a type of cluster IP service. By default, it will be load balancer. So I'll create for a cluster IP for this deployment. And then I'm going to use get service command. It gives me the service I just created. And now I want to see the endpoints of this service. So there is a command called kget endpoints. So endpoints of my dip service. Currently, it shows me 3 IPs. These 3 IPs are belonging to the 3 replicas of the current deployment. We are just deployed 3 replicas, right? So all these 3 pods inside containers are having these endpoints with the IPs and port numbers. Like I mentioned, target port is the port number of the container, right? So it is showing 8000. And now let me scale it up using Kubernetes kubectl scale command. Kubectl scale deployment mydep and to the number of replicas to 5. Now let me again get the endpoints. See if you can see, right? There are plus 2 more. That means if I increase it to 5 replicas, the number of IPs which are exposed to this service are also increased. Now let me also increase the number of replicas and get the service endpoints. It shows 3 plus 5, that means total 8 are exposed. So that is what. So our replicas are successfully increased in this deployment. You can also see get pods. So if you see get pods, total 8 will be running. And if you see replicas, total 8 for this replicas are running. Okay, I hope this video is clear, and in the next coming video we will see about what is horizontal pod autoscaler, and after that I'll explain this question, how to solve this question. We'll solve this later. We will see the next topics on stateful sets. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.